Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to join in the round so that there is no visible step at the beginning of the round. First, cast on all of your stitches like you normally would. After that, cast on one extra stitch. Now transfer that extra stitch onto a new needle. Get ready to knit and slip the first stitch of the round. Now pass the extra stitch over the first stitch. That way we have already joined in the round and at the same time eliminated the height difference between the last stitch and the first stitch. Work the rest of the stitches as usual. This technique also works when you are using a circular needle. In fact, it is even easier since you don't have to transfer the extra stitch onto a new needle to pass it over the first stitch of the round. At the beginning of the second round, you can see that there is no step around the beginning of the round and that you have the correct amount of stitches on your needles. You can now just continue knitting as you normally would. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.